Hey, it's the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. I appreciate you all for tapping in with me. And today we're talking about AIOZ, which has been printing money since this time last year. Definitely something to talk about. So let's talk. Let's hop into these charts. So you know my motto, right? I love the price action. Without the price action, in my opinion, for myself, it's harder for me to get the gains. But one thing to note, like I always say in every video, all wicks must be filled. So as you can see in 2021, pretty much this thing crashed out, right? But now we're moving back up into the highs and we're filling every wick that was made on the way down. Okay. So the highest this thing has been is around $2.61 is the high that AIOZ has been. Now, currently we're sitting at $1.05. All right. Now, here's one thing that I want to know, especially about the Fibonacci. It's a lot harder to use it. Every time we make a new high and create a new high and a new high, we need an official high. But one thing that I want to show people that when it comes to using the Fibonacci in reverse, especially on something like this, that's obviously, you know, the bulls have taken over. You can see clearly once you do the reversal, the targets that it hits, it hit the 141 and it's right under the 161. Okay. And the next target based on this high right here is $3.68, which is slightly above, or, you know, almost $1 above the highest that AIOZ has ever been. OK, now there are several things that I want to point out here. I know a lot of people want to leave a comment, ask me, should they get in? Should they get in? This is not financial advice, but you need to learn how markets move, especially when it comes to price action. OK, now, like I've shown in previous charts, we have all of these flags that have these triangle patterns and these corrections that are showing up on a lot of these charts. This correction is very similar to this correction right here, although it's a lot smaller on the monthly. But I'm pretty sure if I break this down, let's see, if I go to the weekly, right, you can see it a lot clearer right here. Correction, and then a breakout, correction. And now we have a breakout right here, right? So you can pretty much expect it to do the same thing until it reaches the high and somebody liquidates a big position, or until, you know, it consolidates at a new high. Right. So these are just things that you should pay attention to. Now, for anyone that is looking for an entry on this, right, again, you can use the Fibonacci. So I would go from the high to the low on this daily. Oops, let me unlock that. Set the Fibonacci back to its natural state. Now, if I was looking for an entry position on this, I will be waiting for a pullback into the 50 or in the 618 at 56 cents, 64 cents, right? Now, if it breaks above this, and let me go back to the monthly. If it breaks above this and this becomes the new support, then that is a good place of entry. But below will be a lot better, because normally when you have these large candles like this, just like how you do here, you'll have a pullback like this followed by a move up. OK, so it's the same thing here. Like if I come to this, so go on the daily. Where this is. Come to this high, just showing you all this. Look what it did. It came down to the 50 and then it shot back up, right? So if we get another move down, I'm getting in this 50 area. However, if we don't get another move down and we break all the way above this and this becomes a new support, then $1.05 will be my entry. That's just me. Now, you have some people that are willing to buy and hold wherever, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But that's just me. OK, now let's head over to the crypto bubbles. As you can see, we're on the daily. AIOZ is up 25% on the day. Got the meme coin Brett popping off 27.4%. SHIB is popping off 20%. Algo up 10%. EOS up 11%. We're looking good. HBAR up 14.8%. Bonk is doing this thing. Pretty decent return on the day. On the week, you know the vibes. I don't know anything about virtual, but I'm gonna check it out. That's a crazy percentage. ENS up 110, core up 60.1%, algo up 82.5. Looking good, looking good. The month even better. But another thing I wanted to check out before we wrap this up is, where is it? The total market cap. Now for this bull run, I'm looking for the total crypto market cap to get to about $9 trillion, right? So right now we're at 3.37. And I think by the end of the next 4 years, this 4-year bull run will be around 9.2 to $10 trillion market cap total for the cryptocurrency market. And the reason being is, because of all these ETFs popping up, a lot of these different countries are starting to adopt blockchain technology. They're starting to legalize, like, for example, China, Russia, Bitcoin. They're passing favorable tax laws to people that, purchase and sell cryptocurrency. So this is the reason why I'm saying, this 9.2 trillion all the way to 10 trillion is because people are starting to, institutions, corporations, countries are starting to pour more and more money and pass laws to, protect people and to allow for people to invest. So that will bring more money into the cryptocurrency market. Okay. But I appreciate my goons for pulling up once again. And as always, I appreciate you all for tapping in with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Shout out to all my crypto goons for keeping it locked. Crypto Goon out.